Money is essential for any society. It allows us to trade goods and services easily. Without money, we would have to barter. Barter means trading one thing directly for another. Imagine a farmer trying to trade a cow for a pair of shoes. It would be hard to find a shoemaker who also needs a cow. This inefficiency is a major limitation of the barter system. Commodity money solved some of these problems. People began using readily available and desirable goods as a medium of exchange. Early examples included shells, beads, salt, and cattle. These commodities had value in themselves and could be traded more easily than goods like cows or shoes. For instance, a farmer could trade his cow for a certain amount of salt, which he could then use to buy shoes or other necessities. However, commodity money had its drawbacks. Some commodities were perishable, like grain. Others, like cattle, were difficult to transport and divide into smaller units. The need for a more durable and divisible form of money became apparent as trade expanded. The invention of coinage marked a significant step in the evolution of money. Metal coins, first used in ancient Lydia around the 7th century BC, offered a more practical solution. They were durable, divisible, and portable. Standardized weights and values made trading fairer and more efficient. The adoption of coinage spread rapidly throughout the ancient world. Empires like Greece and Rome minted their own coins, often emblazoned with images of rulers or gods. This standardization facilitated trade and strengthened empires by providing a stable and universally recognized currency within their borders. The use of coins allowed for larger and more complex economies to develop. Paper money emerged much later, originating in China during the Tang dynasty. Initially, it took the form of promissory notes backed by the government's reserves. Merchants deposited coins with trusted individuals and received paper certificates representing their deposits. These certificates could be traded as a form of money, making transactions more convenient and secure. This innovation led to the development of formal banking systems. In medieval Europe, merchants began issuing bills of exchange. These documents allowed merchants to make payments over long distances without physically transporting gold or silver. Banks played a crucial role in facilitating trade, lending money, and issuing banknotes that gradually replaced commodity-backed certificates. The 20th century witnessed a major shift with the move to fiat money. Unlike commodity-backed currencies, fiat money derives its value from government decree rather than a tangible asset like gold. This change gave governments greater control over their economies, but also introduced risks of inflation and manipulation. Today, we are witnessing another transformation with the rise of digital money and cryptocurrencies. Digital transactions are becoming increasingly common. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin offer a decentralized and digital alternative to traditional currencies. Their impact on the future of money remains to be seen. The evolution of money reflects our changing needs and technological advancements, and it is certain to continue evolving in the years to come.